In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an appointment confirmation reminder workflow in GoHighLevel. Whether you're managing a busy office or running your own clinic, ensuring that your appointments are confirmed and clients are reminded is crucial. With GoHighLevel, setting up an automated workflow can save you time and reduce no-shows significantly. So, let's dive in and get started. First, we need to go to the Workflows section in your GoHighLevel sub-account. Simply navigate to the Automation tab and select Workflows. Once you're there, look for the option that says plus Create Workflow, and click on that. We're jumping right in by starting from scratch. This gives you the flexibility to tailor the workflow specifically to your needs. Remember to give it a name that makes sense in the context of its purpose, something like Appointment Confirmation Workflow. The next important step is to define what will trigger this workflow. Begin by clicking plus Add Trigger. From the list, choose Appointment Status and set the criteria to Status equals Confirmed. This setup ensures that our workflow kicks in as soon as an appointment is booked and confirmed on your calendar. Now let's add an immediate confirmation SMS to your process. Click on plus Add Action and then select Send SMS. Here you have the chance to craft a friendly and informative message. An example message might go like this: Hi, was contact first name. Your appointment is confirmed for appointment start time at appointment location. Reply yes to confirm or contact us if you need to reschedule. The merge fields, like a contact first name, automatically personalize the message, making it more engaging for your client. Following the SMS, it's a good idea to send a confirmation email as well. Again, click plus Add Action and choose Send Email. Draft a message similar to your SMS, ensuring it contains all necessary details. A sample could be, Hi, contact first name. Your appointment has been successfully scheduled. Appointment details, date and time, appointment start is departure time, location, appointment location. If you need to reschedule, please reply to this email. We look forward to meeting with you. Emails can act as a formal reminder and a reference for your clients. Next, we need to add some reminder delays into the workflow. Use the action plus Add Action and select Wait. You can set multiple reminders at different intervals leading up to the appointment. Common choices are 24 hours before, 1 hour before, and 15 minutes before the appointment. These help ensure the client hasn't forgotten and reduces the chances of a no-show. Finally, add reminder SMS messages corresponding to each delay you've set up. Providing these gentle nudges can be incredibly effective in keeping your clients punctual and prepared for their appointments. With that, your automatic appointment confirmation and reminder workflow is all set up in GoHighLevel, ensuring a smoother experience for you and your clients.